Hello students. So students, today we are going to start the Roman numerals, and this Roman numerals topic is very common from third standard to the 6th or 7th standard. Okay, you will notice that Roman numbers you learn the Roman numbers in third standard, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh standard. Sometimes in some books you will notice the same Roman numbers in your eighth standards also. So from where the Roman numbers comes. Now let's see. There are the seven English letters by which the Roman numbers is so developed. यहाँ पर कुछ क्या है बेटा, सेवन न्यूमरल इंग्लिश लेटर्स हैं जो कि क्या है, इनकी वजह से ये रोमन नंबर्स बने हैं. इनमें I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, where the meaning of I stand for 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, and N stand for what? 1000. Okay, so we can't write the Roman numerals in a simple way if we don't know the if we don't know the rules of the Roman numerals. Okay, so here are some rules. Now the first rule is what? The repetition of a Roman numeral states its addition. Means कोई भी रोमन नंबर है उसका जो रिपीटेशन होगा, ठीक है, वो क्या बताता है कि हमें उन नंबर्स को क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. Now the second, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. क्या हो सकता है, केवल I, X, C और M को ही रिपीट किया जा सकता है, और या V, L and D never repeat. या कह सकते हैं हम कि V, L और जो D है वो कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होते हैं. Now the next rule is what? None of the symbols can't be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, sorry, more than 3 times. कोई भी सिंबल जो है 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा रिपीट भी नहीं होगा. रिपीट तो होंगे, रिपीट होंगे कौन कौन से? सी हियर I, X, C and M कैन बी रिपीटेड, बट उसके के बावजूद भी कोई भी नंबर 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा रिपीट नहीं होगा. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट रूल इज व्हाट? स्मॉलर न्यूमरल्स रिटन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द लार्जर न्यूमरल्स. तो जो भी स्मॉलर नंबर न्यूमरल्स होगा उसे हमेशा कहां लिखा जाएगा? लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा जाएगा, जिससे कि क्या होता है, वहां पर एक सब्ट्रैक्शन की सिचुएशन लागू हो जाएगी. मीन दैट इज द सब्ट्रैक्शन केस. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज मीन्स I can be subtracted from. It is what? I. Okay, means or in numerical form you can say what? The 1. So I can be subtracted. This is a symbol of the subtraction. Subtracted from what? V and X. I जो है किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है आपका? B और X से हो सकता है. X सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है, X कैन बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम L एंड C से हो सकता है. C कैन सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम D and M से हो सकता है. So these are some common, or you can say these are some basic rules of the Roman numerals. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Now you can write these rules in your notebook. Okay, before going to be start your chapter, first mention the heading of name of the chapter, then you have to write down these notes in your notebook. Okay, clear? You got the idea? Now let's solve some question based on this Roman numerals. I hope you know how to write down the Roman counting from 1 to 100. Yes, but there are the two possibilities. Sometimes you will get a numerical number and you have to just convert that number into that Roman numeral, and sometimes you have a Roman numeral and in that case you have to convert that Roman numeral into the numerical form. Okay, digits, number digits. Okay, now let's take one question. Means convert 556 in what? Roman numerals. So first we will break this one. 500 plus 56. plus 6. Okay, then it could be easily written. Now see, 500 is what? You know the LCD TV? Yes, LCD means D for 500. Then L for what? 50. Then 6. 6 can be break down as in two elements. One for 5 means like as the 5 plus 1. Okay. So now it become 555 and now it become 556. Clear? Okay. Now let's take one more example. Okay. 625. It could be written like written as the 600 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay. Now sorry, 500. What? 500. Now see, 500 is written as what? D. Then 100 C. 20 2x, 2 times of x, then 5. Okay, so it's your the Roman numerals of what? 625. Now, so these are some basic concepts by which you can easily write down the numbers in the Roman numerals. Okay. Let's take one example of the Roman numerals from which you have to convert that Roman numerals into the number system, or you can say the Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Now see, okay, so it is what? 100 plus 100 plus 20 plus 20, oh sorry, 10 and 10 20 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, so 100, the repetition of digits tells us what? The sum, addition. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, now it become what? 226. Clear? See here. Okay, and if you have any confusion, any query regarding these topics, you can ask your query in the comment section. Okay? Okay, beta. So it's enough for today. Thank you, beta.